A very good morning to all of you. All right, so before we start, a super small task for all those who have logged in for this meeting using your laptop and Wi-Fi. So those who have logged in using your mobile phone, please refrain from this task. So now, quickly, all of you go ahead and turn on your airplane mode on your mobile phones. And I'll tell you why later. Thank you so much. Go ahead, turn on those airplane mode on your mobile phones. Now, let me all give you a word. Think fun, think silly, think crazy, think anything you want. All choices are yours. Let me know what you get associated with this particular word. And the word for the day is connected. So come on, all, please start typing while you're thinking. Let me give you some examples for connected. Lock and key, cup and saucer, basin and tap. Oh, we already have some coming in. Rajesh and Venki. So we can make it more table and chair. Wonderful. Mobile phone is also important. Let me get to see some more responses. Night and sleep. Okay, Pawan is missing a sleep. That's nice. Husband and wife. Okay, 60-year celebration. I get that. Jay and Viru, wonderful. Awesome. So there are a lot of things which are coming up in combinations, which is very good. So for all the connections that were listed until now, or which is getting listed now, don't you think they're all incomplete without each other? They are there, but when they are together, they get stronger and they are recognized better. So we all agree with this, right? Any idea why this today? To tell you all again the power of connection. Connection between two entities when they come together, the power they hold when they become together, maybe like just one with one becomes 11. So one strong connection that I want to talk about today is visitors and you. So it's not the visitors and the meeting, it's never the visitors and the chapter. Remember, it's always about your visitors and you. So let's say you meet a friend from college, he would feel like any other friend from college. But the minute you introduce him to a school group or a work group, don't you think he'll feel a little extra special and will feel even more connected to you? There'll be more to talk, more to share. There'll be more occasions to be together, to celebrate together, and it's mutual. Connection gets stronger from both the sides. It's human psychology after all. Same thing is with the clients. A client is just a client only till the time you are meeting him. But the minute you introduce this client with more people to make his work easier by introducing your trustworthy partners, don't you think you'll come into his inner circle? Think about it. When you attend the meeting, of course, the chapter looks up to you. But the minute you invite the visitor to the meeting and attend it together, your impact just goes beyond. You're recognized for one with one, which is 11. So inviting your friend, a relative, or a client for the meeting and saying thanks to them after the meeting is not all. It's also about discussing post the meeting how it can be a win-win for all of you, for them and for the members. And that is how you show the power of one and one together. Never know how you can get connected together in the future for better groups. So just by introducing your visitor to a new group, remember you have established a new connection with your own visitor, which is not going to be the same going forward, as you will talk more business than ever before. And this is how you connect and stay connected with your visitors. So once again, for all those who have logged in with your laptop, can you quickly go ahead and call your friend, client, or a relative you spoke yesterday and try calling them right now? Uh-oh, I'm sure you cannot do that because your phones are in airplane mode. How can you? Because you cannot go ahead and make those calls. Remember, even mobile phone and a SIM card is a powerful connection. Their power only doubles when they are together. So keeping your phone in airplane mode is as good as you have kept your own network in airplane mode. You are in business simple terms, it is like you're in your comfort zone. You're saying no to new opportunities, no to add new people, no to add new potential business. So go ahead, turn off the airplane mode and make the best use of the wonderful connections you have. Talk to them. You never know, they're just waiting to hear on mutual growth, and make a new connection with your existing connection that builds a new perspective for the new year. So with this thought, let's take off and hit all the business goals and this year, and let's make the year count. Happy networking. Let's make every day a business festival day. Happy 22 Inspire. Thank you.